Now, if you're looking for high performance audio for your Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST, we've got you covered. Harley-Davidson and Rockford Fosgate came together to create an all-new audio system, specifically engineered for the 2022 Lowrider ST model. With epic sound quality, Bluetooth connectivity, minimal installation time, and housed in a single fairing enclosure, this all-in-one audio system will take your ride to the next level. So let's jump into this system. First, let's talk about power and performance. This purpose-built 2-channel amplifier produces amazing output, even with its small footprint. 125 watts per channel, 250 watts in total. A brand new feature is the Bluetooth amplifier connectivity. So no need for a head unit, no flashing the bike. You can just pair your phone directly to the amplifier and control your music, update the software, all right from your device. Now let's jump into the speakers and tweeters. This system features two 5¼ component speakers and two 1-inch tweeters. They're rated to handle 125 watts of power per pair. We also measured rider positioning and designed them specifically so that they're always directly pointed at you, making sure that the music is heard over wind, road, and exhaust noise. The entire system was also designed element ready, so it's engineered to perform no matter the weather conditions. So water, dust, dirt won't be an issue. The bottom line is you want to hear your audio over your motorcycle, road noise, and exhaust, even while wearing a helmet. And the Lowrider ST audio system will deliver that audio performance that you have always wanted.